Hello everyone! I'm so excited to be making this video because it means that my mom and I are leaving very soon to go watch the Olympics in Paris and in a few other places across France. I've always loved watching the Olympics like many people do, and then I guess it was 2 Christmases ago, so probably December 2022, I got an ad on my Instagram from the official Paris 2024 account saying, hey, you can submit your name to be entered into basically the raffle that lets you even get into the portal to buy tickets. And I was like, oh yeah, I'll put my name and number in. Didn't think anything of it. Got an email a few months later that I did get chosen to buy tickets. So I bought some tickets, but even then they were super cheap. They were like $25 each. So I really was like, okay, I'm just gonna buy these tickets, could sell them later if I need to, but let me just at least have them. Not really thinking that I would actually end up getting to go, but everything just kind of fell into place because there's so many just different ways that it wasn't gonna work out, but it did, and we are going to France. I'm so excited. Are we recording? Okay, sorry, I'm filming on a new camera because my Canon G7X is broken and the mirrorless camera is too big to bring to France. So I'm on a new small vlogging camera and we're testing it out. I have a little Canva slideshow of what I'm wearing every day. I have most of my outfits and when I'm wearing them figured out. I just need to try on a few things together because basically what I do is I just like search up the item, find the stock photo of it, cut out the background, and then play mix and match with it. But I don't know if those things actually look good together on. So there's a few things I need to try on, and then I had a few things just come in. So I need to try those on too, make sure they're all good, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of steaming, and then we're gonna roll it up and pack. So the first thing I need to try on is this pepper mayo set that just came in today. I just barely made it. So the events we're going to, first off, we're going to a soccer game, USA versus Australia in Marseille. I also want to watch sailing in Marseille and then women's golf in Versailles like a week later. And in between, we're just gonna see France. Because I've never been to Europe. Well, we had a Europe trip planned in 2020, and of course that didn't happen. And so I'm so excited. But I have this little set that I ordered that I think would be really cute for sailing, and then also I'll probably wear at some point, but I need to make sure it looks good. I don't know what I'm gonna do if it doesn't. Probably wear it anyway, but let's see. I think they're calling these waistcoats. I could be wrong, but it's like a little vest, matching shorts, so let's see. Okay, I'm not taking off this bodysuit because we have lots to do. Okay, I think it's so cute. I'm gonna jump so you can see. But I think this is gonna be perfect for sailing. I love it. I think it fits really well. Again, won't have the bodysuit under, so it'll be a little bit better. And then basically for every outfit, I'm gonna be wearing these Reeboks that I just got from, I actually ordered them on Amazon, but I don't know the exact name of them. I'll put it on the screen. But I think these Reeboks are so cute. I have some Adidas Continental 80s that I love and I've worn like to death for the past probably like 6 years, and so I think these are going to be my little replacement. I've broken them in a little bit this week. They're so comfortable. I'm also going to bring a pair of flip-flops, like nicer flip-flops, and then a little pair of heels, which I don't know if I'll get much use out of these. And then here are the little sandals that I'm bringing, but for the most part every outfit is going to be with these sneakers just because I need to be comfortable and able to do a lot of walking. Wait, I just went and showed my mom and I realized these buttons weren't even buttoned, but the back has this little belt so you can really like snatch it. This is actually so precious. I'm not gonna try these on, but I wanna show some of my other favorites that I'm gonna wear. This is from Hill House. It's just like the most precious dress ever. I'm gonna wear that to golf. Then to the soccer game, I'm gonna wear this top with a little white skirt. Also gonna wear this on the plane. I think it would be comfy and very team spirited. I got this top at a boutique in Baton Rouge and I love the way that it's very well structured, very snatchy. I think I'm gonna wear it at some point in Nice. We'll see. If you follow me on TikTok or Instagram Reels, you already know I am obsessed with Flossie by Freddie, which is Freddie My Love's dress and clothing collection. So we have multiple pieces that I'm gonna wear from her, especially in Paris. I feel like they give very much Paris. She actually just came out with a Paris line, so I bought a dress from it. Not necessarily for the trip, but I did kind of hope it would come in for the trip, and I think it's gonna come in right after we leave. So that's okay, we have plenty of clothes, but that kind of hurt. This little dress is just gonna be a like walking around, exploring dress. It's super comfortable, but I got it from, I never know if it's Onlan or Anlan. I think they were online for a while. Now they have a storefront on Burbank, I think. So if you're in Baton Rouge, so many cute, girly, almost Love Shack fancy-esque dresses. I'm obsessed, and she's so sweet, so check that out. And then I have some pajamas, and then just like extra clothes, like this is so cute. I got this at the Rodeo tent sale. It's like this black sheer over top thing. It has little bows on it. So I'm gonna wear it probably with this black tank top that I have on. And then I was visiting my boyfriend this week in Baton Rouge because I'm in this weird in-between time where I just moved all my stuff back to Lake Charles, to my home, like last week. Now we're going to France. When we get back, I'm going apartment shopping in New York City, and then the week after I'm moving to New York. So right now all my stuff is at home, but he's still in Baton Rouge, so went and said hello in Baton Rouge, and I stopped by Rodeo and got this little travel set because I felt like I didn't have enough travel clothes. It's like these little linen pants, little top. I think this is so cute, and I'm thinking that on the way home I can wear these pants with whatever like USA top that I get, you know? Let's talk about purses. I'm not bringing any like nicer purses that I have because I know things can get stolen, especially at like these big events like the Olympics, and so I honestly just ordered some Amazon bags, but I think they're cute. This little black crossbody, and then this is like a dupe of the Uniqlo bag. Not that you really need a dupe because it's like $15, but it was sold out. So I got this very similar one on Amazon. It's lined. It still has like a zipper, and the crochet isn't super harsh because I know sometimes it can like rough up clothing. It's not. I think these are going to be perfect. I think I'm going to wear this one more in like Nice and Marseille, and then this one more in France. Sorry, Paris. I'm going to wear this one more in Paris. Also in France. One of the days that we're in Nice, we're going to this really cute beach club. I'm not sure which swimsuit I'm gonna wear yet though for it. I have this one that like very much matches the vibe and the look of the place. Hold on. They're both from Elysian Swimwear, both the swimsuits I'm gonna show. So cute, but it's a little showy. It's a little flashy. That's okay. I'm in Europe and it's cute. It just depends on if I'm comfortable. This one is also a little more cut than I am used to, but it's so cute, and it's just like a little more comfortable. So I'm just gonna see how I feel because I think the other one would match the vibe more, but I might rather wear this one. I think I am gonna pack both though, which may be silly because I don't know like how many swimsuit days I'm really gonna have other than that beach club, but I think I have the space. I do have one more outfit I need to try on. It's not super special or anything. It's just what I think I need to change into whenever I'm like either getting off the flight, maybe still on the flight, just at some point. That way I'm not in the same outfit forever, especially because I'm going to be wearing it again in a couple of days. So let's try that on. Okay, here's what I think I'm going to wear basically on the train from Paris to Marseille and for the night at Marseille. I just want to try it on and make sure it was cute because these shorts are so precious. They're Flossy by Freddie, so well made, and just I love them, but the silhouette is like very unique and something I'm not completely used to. Oh, they're not even buttoned. I think everything else I'm pretty confident in, so I'm gonna go ahead and steam a few of the items that are a little wrinkly before I roll them up. While I'm letting the clothes dry a little bit, I'm going to show you some of the makeup I just bought. I kind of went crazy when I was in Baton Rouge. A Sephora opened up next to the grocery store, the Trader Joe's, that I've been shopping at all of college, which is great, good for them, but I could have, used that the past 4 years, but I went in there and it did some damage. I got minis of any product that I knew I liked and wanted to bring for the most part, and then I tried some new items. I got a few shades of the Kosas concealer, because I don't know, I just feel like I've talked about this a lot, and like, get ready with me's on TikTok, that I just feel like all of my concealer is icky under my eyes. It creases so much. This little mini Rare Beauty, I wanted to have 2 liquid blushes, but I didn't want to like get another big one, so it's cute. And then I have the paler Glow Skin, but I wanted the bronzy one too because I didn't want to bring my big Flawless filters or e.l.f. Halo Glows. What else did I get? Oh, I got some new brow products because I have really sparse brows, and I'm always trying to figure out what's gonna make them look the best with the least amount of work. So I got this new Kosas brow, I don't know, situation. And a little pen. Lots of Kosas, which was a brand I've never tried before. And then I'm wearing this lipstick right now. I saw, this was actually at Ulta because I had to go get a curling iron too because I needed something. That was dual voltage, but I saw the L'Oreal Color Rich lipsticks, and sometimes I just like to see if there's any colors that I like. This lipstick I saw was called Montmartre, which was perfect because that's a place in Paris and it's near where we're gonna be staying. So, perfect. And then I got a mini Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation. This isn't something I've been using a lot lately because I have a shade of it, it's just way too warm for my skin tone. So I got one that was really light. That way I knew I could make it work somehow. Because I love the foundation, but I like couldn't justify getting another full-sized one when I already have one, even though it is the wrong color. So I got another tiny one, and all of the liquids along with my toiletries, everything is gonna go in my travel backpack, which I'll show y'all later. I'm just bringing a carry-on and a backpack, but I'm keeping anything liquid in my backpack. That way if there's any issues, I don't have to, you know, pop open my whole suitcase. It's just my backpack. Okay, hello from the floor. I took a little break. I ate our Chinese takeout. It was so good. I had double cooked pork, some hot and sour soup, and the most amazing egg roll. But I'm back, and this time I'm gonna use some packing cubes. I really haven't loved using packing cubes in the past because I feel like they kind of get messy because I'm always like zipping and blah, blah, blah. But I think what I'm gonna do this time is give a packing cube to each leg of the trip, and one of our accommodations and basically the middle of the trip will have a washer and dryer, I believe. So there's a couple things I can wash if I need to, and I am going to be re-wearing a few things, but basically I'm just going to put things where I'm wearing them first. So like for the items I'm wearing in Marseille, even if I'm wearing them in Paris, they're going to go in the Marseille cube. And then if I wear them and I'm not washing them, or even if I am, I can just move them to the next cube that I'm wearing it in. Get it? Get it? That's the plan. I'm gonna take this suitcase off this table, and this is gonna be our rolling station. I forgot I grabbed some ribbon at the craft store the other day for like hair ribbon. So I'm gonna cut some of those because I don't think I can bring scissors in a carry-on. I'm sure you can, but they probably have like rules. I cut my ribbons. I think everything that's going in my suitcase is in my jewelry. Wait, no, I'm gonna put jewelry in my backpack, but I guess I'll take a look now. With these little like drop down earrings, I don't know when I would wear these though, because I'm definitely gonna bring these. And then just got the most beautiful little pearls from my little by Miu. So if I want nicer earrings, I can wear those. So I don't know if, you know what, they don't take up much space. I'll bring them. Also gonna bring my little Dior bracelet because I feel like it matches very well with some of my outfits. And then I think I'm gonna bring this silver Missella Shoe David Yurman too. That way I have silver bracelet, gold bracelet, few earring options. Yeah, that should be good. I was like, something else needs to go in here. It's this tripod. We are zipping up the suitcase. Also, this backpack is not full yet. I'm also gonna put my iPad in here. I have some chargers that are charging that need to go in here, and then just things that I'm gonna need in the morning are all gonna go in here. It's also where all of like my toiletries, makeup, everything like that is. But I wanted to shout out this backpack. I'll like link it below. It has a little area for a charger. Like there's a charger built into the backpack. You just put your cord in, you can charge your phone. has like a nice little pouch on the back so you can put like your passport, any money, without like anyone being able to grab. There's like so many pockets, spot for computer, iPad situation. There's even like little like kind of mylar metal vibe right here. I'm not really sure what that's for, but my mom showed me this backpack. It was like $30 on Amazon. This is, oh, it even has a shoe compartment. This is a great travel backpack. I'm sure I'll think of a million other things I need to do, but for now, I think that I'm almost packed except for the things that need to go in my backpack. Thanks for joining me. I really liked making this little packing video. It helped me really get things knocked out a little bit quicker. I am gonna get ready for bed. I'm gonna clean my room because it got a little messy and all of the packing. I'm gonna spend as much time with Willow as I can. My dad will be here through the week, so he'll be with her, but we're just not meant to be apart. We're not. So yeah, I'm so excited. I, of course, will be vlogging the whole thing, be posting on social media. I'm hoping to get this vlog up kind of quick. Might be my little, you know, airport flight activity. And we actually just upgraded our seats on the flight there. I'm so excited. Now we're flying business and it looks like it's gonna be amazing. We're flying Air France, so I'm so hyped for that. And yeah, I think this is gonna be an awesome trip. I will see you guys soon. Next time you see me, I guess I'll probably be in France. Bye.